Hey everyone, thanks for joining me at the place at the end of the internet, because if you made it here, you made it to the end of the internet. That's right, that's where we are, where we are testing every single mask in the world, on Amazon, at Walmart, Home Depot, in India, in the entire world. If there's a mask, we're gonna test it because you're gonna send them to me, just like Dave did. Thank you, Dave, for sending these. I'll read a little note here. Hello, Lloyd. Check out these KN95 respirators. They were purchased on Amazon a couple of weeks ago, and as per the order details, were sold by Watchtronics. I was somewhat surprised by the packaging when they arrived. Yeah, I wouldn't put Watchtronics looking like that, but you know, that's just me. Thank you, Dave. I will test these. We actually tried to find these on Amazon, and for what it's worth, we couldn't, so I don't have the link to share. But it says KN95 Protective Mask. Very, very KN95. Let's open this up and put it in the clamper. Oops. Yeah. See, I did it wrong. Ah! Ooh, there we go. Yep, very Chinese. And this actually might be a legit KN95. So we'll see here. All right, let's put it in the clamp. The setup's a little bit different than we're used to working on, or than like someone at, say, like NIOSH would be doing. Our clamp setup just makes it really, really easy and fast for Lloyd, who's lazy, to put things in. All right, this is a PFE machine, particulate filtration efficiency machine. You want to find out how that works, check out that link. All right, now why did I say this may be a legitimate KN95? Well, first of all, we're going to look at the packaging here. Clearly, this is not made for an American market. Well, I don't know. At least an English-speaking market, we'll say. I don't know what this means, but it's like... So apparently bad stuff goes in and water comes out. That's cool. Definitely claiming 95% filtration, seeing that there. And if it says KN95, that is making that claim. It's part of the standard. Now, I said this is maybe a legitimate KN95 because it says KN95. And a lot of KN95s, that's all they say, is KN95. But this one has the brand name. Actually, this is not a KN95. This is very weird. So they're using the FFP2 standard, and they've got, and it's from a company called DFFilter, and it's got the CE mark, and FFP2 and KN95. They're trying to just check all the boxes here. I'm not sure that this is weird. When you have a mask that's trying to check too many boxes, I'm not sure how that's going to work. I don't love the construction of. Ooh, wow, that's tight. That's pretty strong. That's not going to break on your face. Anytime I see the nose wire on the outside, typically like it's easy to come off. So I can give you like a mustache. Maybe not. Let's try it on. Do a smell. Whoa, that ear loop is very small. It's look at this. Look at my ears. Look at this. You see that? That's funny. These are small ear loops. This is my new profile picture. Hey guys, I test masks. I've been in the lab for too long today. And this smells surprisingly not too much like plastic, judging by the construction here. I mean, if you have a really small face, it's probably going to fit you, but wow, that's not, no, doesn't fit Brittany either. Yeah, that is less than ideal. Boy, oh boy, that's pretty funny. Thanks for the laugh there, Dave. Does that matter though? It doesn't even protect you. Here we go. Claiming KN95, claiming FFP2, claiming CE. What are all those things? Well, they're all basically saying that this thing has 95% filtration on this machine, on a machine just like this, and we're hitting 84.861, 84.861. So don't buy the Watchtronics DFFilter mask and it shows up like this. That's it's not a real mask. Well, it's a real mask, but it's not one that's going to protect you. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you, Dave, for sending me. Stick around. I got another one from Dave. He sent them separately because he hates the environment and loves the Postal Service. Just kidding, Dave. Thank you so much, and I will catch you on that next test.